So hello friends, welcome to Intron YouTube channel and learning session of learning Python with the Intron. In the previous video we have seen what we mean by class and what is meant by object. So in this video we will see what is in class and object through one example. So we will start by our first example. So here I will create class. So first of all you should use here keyword, that is class, before declaring any class, and then after that you should give your class name. So I'm giving here as my class, and after that colon you should give. So whatever content you want to write in class, you should write it under this. So as we have earlier seen that class is nothing but it is collection of attributes and functions. So I will create here one attribute atr1. So attribute is nothing but you can see here as an variable. So I will pass here one string as programmer, and next attribute I will create as attribute2 is equal to I will make as Python. So here is my first and second attribute. So let's make here atr. So now we will define one function in this. So we can define a diff. We already know how to define a function, and here in the class you should use here self. So in brackets you can see I have used self means it tells that class itself. Self is used to define the properties. What I mean by that I will show by one example. So now I want to print that print I want here programmer. After the string I want the programmer. So what we used to do earlier, like atr1 we used to give directly. So in the case of Python it is not acceptable. So you should use here self dot atr. You can see here. So this self we have used here. So self is used to define the properties. So now next print command I will give as print I am learning Python. I want to print. So Python is stored in attribute 2. So I will give here self dot attribute 2. I want to print. So this is our class. Now we should, until and unless we create any kind of object, this attribute 1 attribute 2 will not be assigned. So I will create here one object now. Obj I will give name. Obj is equal to class name, that is my class. So here is my object, and after that you should give it round brackets. So this is a syntax of an object. So that is object name is equal to class name, and after that we use an round brackets. So now we have to call this function by using this object. You can directly call like obj dot function name, that is fun. So our programming is ready. Here is our class and here are our object. Now let's run this and check the output. My class. So we have done some mistake. So here it should be atr1. We have done spelling mistake, so that's why it's giving error. So here is our output, that is I am programmer, I am learning Python. So thank you friends and keep learning.